Hello everyone. In this video, I'll explain how to fix MetaMask when the gas fee is too high. Gas fees can spike depending on network congestion, but there are ways to lower the cost before confirming your transaction. First, when you're about to send crypto or interact with a DApp, MetaMask will suggest a gas fee. Instead of accepting the default, click on Edit or Advanced Options. Here, you can choose between low, medium, or high fees. Selecting the low option reduces costs, but keep in mind the transaction may take longer. If the gas is still unusually high, check if you're on the correct network. For example, Ethereum often has higher fees, but using alternatives like Binance Smart Chain, Polygon, or Arbitrum can make transactions much cheaper. Switching networks requires adding them to MetaMask with the correct RPC settings. Another tip is to monitor gas prices before confirming. You can use websites like ETH Gas Station or similar trackers to see when fees are lower. Doing transactions during off-peak hours, such as late nights or weekends, often saves money. Finally, if a transaction is stuck with high gas, you can cancel it or speed it up by adjusting the gas settings again in MetaMask. Just make sure you have enough ETH in your wallet to cover any changes. By carefully adjusting gas settings, choosing the right network, and timing your transactions, you can avoid overpaying and make MetaMask transactions much more affordable. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.